Good morning, children. Now I am going to take annual revision for second standard English subject, children. I'll have to take your English classwork and start writing, children. From all the lessons, I am going to give you meanings, opposites, plurals, past tense. You read this, children, because from this only we will give question answers and meanings and for an examination. So you prepare well. For meanings, number one, meanings. Deep. First one. D-E-E-P. Deep, great, depth. G-R-E-A-T. Great, depth. D-E-P-T-H. Second one. Whistle. W-H-I-S-T-L-E. Whistle, a type of sound. A-T-Y-P-E. Type of sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Third one, sea. S-E-A. Sea. Sea na enama? Kadal. A great body of salt water. S-A-L-T. Salt water. Fourth one, whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. A very large mammal. A very, V-E-R-Y. Very large. L-A-R-G-E. Large mammal. M-A-M-M-A-L. Fifth one, contest. C-O-N-T-E-S-T. Contest, competition. C-O-M-P-E-T-T-I-T-I-O-N. Competition. Worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Thinking something bad. T-H-I-N-K-I-N-G. Thinking. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. B-A-D. Bad. Fun. Fun means joke. J-O-K-E. Next one, sorrow. S-O-R-R-O-W. Sorrow means sad. S-E-D. Sad. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick, fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H. Smooth. Soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. Win. W-I-N. Win. Success. S-U-C-C-E-S. Yes. Listen, children. Take your English classwork and write, children. From this only we will take questions for annual exam. So you read well. D-E-E-P. Deep, great, depth. Whistle, a type of sound. Sea, a great body of salt water. Whale, a very large mammal. Contest, competition. Worried, thinking something bad. Fun, joke. Sorrow, sad. Quick, fast. Smooth, soft. Win, success. Write in your English classwork, children. Then only it will be easy for you to read at the time of examination. Roman letter 2, opposites. First one, near. N-E-A-R. Near, far. F-A-R. Far. Next one, above. A-B-O-V-E. Above, below. B-E-L-O-W. More. M-O-R-E. More, less. L-E-S-S. Less. Wide. W-I-D-E. Wide, narrow. N-E-R-R-O-W. Open, O-P-E-N. Open, close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. In, I-N. In. Out, O-U-T. Out. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y. Enemy. B-U-I-L-D. Build, destroy. D-E-S-T-R-O-Y. Destroy. Next one, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village, town. T-O-W-N. Village we can write. City also we can write. City. C-I-T-Y. City. Up, up, down. Up, D-O-W-N, down. 11th one, happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy, sad. S-A-D, sad. New, old. N-E-W. New, O-L-D. Old. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast, slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. Big. B-I-G. Big. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Listen children. Near, far. Above, below. More, less. Wide, narrow. Open, close. In, out. Friend, enemy. Build, destroy. Village, city. Up, down. Happy, sad. New, old. Fast, slow. Big, small. Strong, weak. Finish children. Take your English classwork and write children. Next one, Roman letter 3, plurals. First one, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Fishes. F-I-S-H-E-S, fishes. Next one, dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Dolphins. D-O-L-P-H-I-N-S. Cave. C-A-V-E. Cave. Caves. C-A-V-E-S. Rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Rocks. R-O-C-K-S. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G-S. Pigs. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S will come in the last. Okay. Buffaloes. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Ears. E-A-R-S. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse, horses. H-O-R-S-E-S, horse, horses. Week, W-E-E-K, week, weeks. W-E-E-K-S, weeks. Dancer, D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer, dancers. D-A-N-C-E-R-S, dancers. Mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror, mirrors. M-I-R-R-O-R-S. Child, C-H-I-L-D, child, children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, child, children. Festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival, festivals. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S, festivals. Box, B-O-X, box, boxes. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Listen children. Fish, fishes. Dolphin, dolphins. Cave, caves. Rock, rocks. Friend, friends. Pig, pigs. Buffalo, buffaloes. Ear, ears. Horse, horses. Week, weeks. Dancer, dancers. Mirror, mirrors. Child, children. Festival, festivals. Box, boxes. Finish children. Next we are going to see past tense. Roman letter 4. E-A-S-T-T-E-N-S-E, past tense. First one, worry, W-O-R-R-Y, worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D will come. Next one, ask, A-S-K, ask, asked, A-S-K-E-D, ask, asked. Is, I-S, is, was, W-A-S, was. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing, sang, S-A-N-G, sang. Cry, C-R-Y, cry, cried, C-R-I-E-D. See, S-E-E, see, saw, S-A-W, saw. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build, built, B-U-I-L-T, build, built. Keep, K-E-E-P, keep, kept, K-E-P-T, kept. Cook, C-O-O-K, cook, cooked, C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. Say, S-A-Y, say, said, S-A-I-D, said. Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry, carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D. Move, M-O-V-E, move, moved, M-O-V-E-D. Stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand, stood, S-T-O-O-D, stood. Want, W-A-N-T, want, wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. Horse, here, H-E-A-R, here, heard, H-E-A-R-D, here, heard. Listen children, Past tense, worry, worried, ask, asked, is, was, sing, sang, cry, cried, see, saw, build, built, keep, kept, cook, cooked, say, said, carry, carried, move, moved, stand, stood, want, wanted, hear, heard. Take your English classwork and write, children. Finish, children. Next one, match the animals with their homes. Room letter 5. First time I am writing the correct answer, children. In the question paper, the answers will be changed. So you should write the correct answer. Bird. For bird, nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Bee. B-E-E. For bee, hive. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. S-T-Y. Style. Rat, R-A-T, rat, hole, H-O-L-E, hole. Dog, D-O-G, dog, kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, pen, P-E-N, pen. Spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider, web, W-E-B, web. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, or horse, stable, S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Cow, shed, C-O-W, cow, S-H-E-D, shed. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck, pond. Parents, if you are nearby, means help your children to write in their class work. Listen, children. B-I-R-D, bird, nest. Bee, hive. Pig, sty. Rat, hole. Dog, kennel. Sheep, pen. Spider, web. Horse, stable. Cow, shed. Duck, pond. Okay, children. By this, I am finishing this class. In the next, we can see the rest, children. Thank you.